I hate to interrupt your dream. Well, no, I don't. But how am I supposed to watch TV with you sleeping on the remote? It's time for my favorite show. Are you smarter than lasagna? I'm going to give you a 2 on this. I think you need to work on your poise and your coordination. And while you're at it, see what you can do about that tongue.
Wow! Wow!
Hey, Odie, why the long face? I know how to cheer you up. I'll throw the stick and you fetch it. How about that, boy? Odie doesn't want to fetch the stick? Odie always wants to fetch the stick.
He's been acting like that all day. I'd say it's because he finally realized how dumb he was, but he's not smart enough to know that. Hey, Ord, I found this water pistol. Didn't he realize it's filled with strawberry lemonade? I need some more sugar.
Hey, Odie, I've got a little treat for you. Here's a yummy bone for my little dog. He doesn't want to fetch the stick? He doesn't want a bone? Maybe I should take him to Liz for a checkup.
Odie, wake up. Hey, pupster, open those doggy eyes of yours. Whoa, take it easy. You were thrashing around in your sleep. I thought you were having a bad dream. You were dreaming a good dream? About food. Were there any other things worth dreaming about? Oh, okay, what was it? You were dreaming about being a great superhero and saving people in distress? Especially cute ladies in distress? Well, personally, I prefer dreaming about food. I think I'll dream up some Mugu Gai Pan. Odie, is it okay if I tell you something? You promise you won't take it the wrong way? Good. Dogs don't fly, you got that? Dogs do not fly. Stop with these daydreams. If you wanted to fly, you should have had yourself born as a bird. Forget the nap. I'm gonna go down to Vito's for free pizza he doesn't know he's giving out today.
You can't come this way, Cat. We're pouring asphalt and repaving here. Go around to the next block.
The next block? Doesn't that man know the shortest route between me and a pizza is a straight line? I'll just walk on the other side of the street. I don't know what it is with that dog. He just does one dumb thing after another. Huh? Then again, he never got his feet stuck in freshly poured asphalt. Excuse me? I have a little problem here. Make that a big problem. Help! Somebody help! 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 And double help! I'm gonna be flatter than John's last souffle. Help!
So, what do you think, Sam? You want to go bowling after work?
Stop! Help! Stop! Help!
Sam, would you speak up? Some cat is howling out here or something.
Dogs don't fly, you got that? And stop with these daydreams. Huh? Thanks for trying to save me, but now there are two of us about to become animal pancakes.
Wow!
Goodbye, whoever you are. But I'm not.
Wow! Did you see that? That flying dog saved them from the steamroller.
You're nuts! Dogs can't fly!
That one did, just like a superhero.
Huh?
Oh.
Did you see? I mean, I thought that the one thing and then... Oh, never mind. Yeah! Hey, Odie. I had the strangest dream. I dreamed earlier today that you were flying. You were flying and you rescued me and a cute girl dog just like a superhero. Silly dream, huh? Well, I guess as long as it was a dream, I can go back to sleep. Good night, Odie.